Hi, I'm June McHugh with EQ Insurance Services, and I want to share with you today my top 10 reasons to avoid or transfer your CEA clients to one of our covered carriers. Number 10, the CEA is an assessment policy, which means that they are allowed by the Department of Insurance, if they run low on funds after a major earthquake, to charge an additional 20% premium. None of our carriers offers an assessment policy. Number 9, the CEA is not an admitted carrier in the state of California and therefore is not backed by the California Insurance Guarantee Association. All of our carriers are admitted carriers in the state of California, are A-rated by AM Best, and are backed for each and every policy that they write by the SIGA program. Number 8, the CEA is basically a mini policy or a standard coverage policy, which means there's no pool coverage, there's no coverage for other structures, detached garages, fences, retaining walls, detached walkways and patios. The basic personal property coverage is $5,000, and loss of use is limited to $1,500, which is nothing. Our carriers offer comprehensive coverage, which does cover other structures, detached garages, and with Arrowhead they offer an endorsement that increases pool coverage to $25,000 and also increases loss of use up to $100,000, and the pool coverage with Arrowhead is the best that we can offer. Number 7. Often we can provide quotes for your clients that are very competitive with the CEA and offer much, much better coverage. Number 6, the CEA states that they have $9.5 billion in claims paying assets. The 1994 Northridge earthquake, $20 billion in property damages. If we have a major earthquake in California, we are looking at the kind of devastation that Superstorm Sandy caused in New York and New Jersey. We could be facing the same type of destruction to our infrastructure and property. At last count, the total property damages for Superstorm Sandy exceeded $50 billion. Hurricane Katrina exceeded $100 billion. Number 5, according to the USGS, there is a 95% probability of a 7.0 magnitude earthquake or higher in the next 30 years in California. The Northridge quake was 6.7 on the Richter scale. Forecasters are stating that there's an area in the southern part of the San Andreas Fault that has not moved in a long time, and they're very concerned the probability for a major earthquake is increasing daily. Number 4, are you really prepared for your clients to make claims on your E&O insurance? That is one of the most important reasons to have your clients insured with carriers that are heavily reinsured and backed by the California Insurance Guarantee Association. Number 3, I would like to share with each and every one of you the CEA disclosure, where it clearly states that if they become insolvent, they are not required to pay their claims as promised. Is this the type of insurance you want your clients to have? Number 2, I want to reiterate this point. The CEA has $9.5 billion in claims paying assets. Northridge, $20 billion. Superstorm Sandy, $50 billion. Hurricane Katrina, $100 billion. Number 1, finally, we're here to help. We want to make sure your clients have the best policies, the best coverage possible. Quotes are free. Just send us a quote. We'll get the quotes, compare them to the CEA, and see what we can do for you. Finally, I want to thank you for joining me today and watching this video. Again, my name is June McHugh from EQ Insurance Services. Our telephone number, 925-945-8800, or toll free 866-945-8800. Again, thanks so much for watching, and get those quotes out.